Hello friends, today I am reviewing this thermal printer. This is one of the best thermal printer, that's why I am reviewing this one. This is Epson thermal printer, basically 3-inch auto cut thermal printer. This is the model number Epson T82X. I will do all the printing, I will show you the print quality, everything, and before that I will show you the parts in this printer. There is an on-off switch is there, there is a push button on-off switch is there, and there is a feed button is there, and then very next to this on-off switch. And in the back side, the bottom side, there is supports are there. To be frank, I want to tell you, this is not my new printer. I purchased this printer near about 3 or 4 years before, and I am continuously using this. I am very happy this printer, that's why I am making the review for this one. And in the back side, you will find this is the power supply. This is the power supply button. You will find this kind of power supply here, 230 volt directly you can connect with this device, and you will see this is a cash drawer option, and you can connect your cash drawer over here, and this 9-pin adapter is there, and this is the USB pin which is available. Here you can connect your USB pin, that's it. So there is no network adapter is there. The network adapter model also available in this printer. And let me open this printer. And see, this is the interior, and there is auto cut mechanism over here. You can see over here there is an auto cut mechanism is there, there is a printer head is there, there is something like that. I think this is the sensor, and its interior is smooth, and see, this is the roller is there. All are running is very nicely, that's why I am reviewing this video. And for fixing this paper roll, this is a 50 mm paper roll basically. 50 mm paper roll, you can simply place it inside, no need to, just simply make it. See, I keep some paper outside, and I just close it. There is one thing is there, please come closer. When I close it, see, there is first auto cut, it's already happened. This is, in this printer, I like very much this feature. Whenever you make feed the paper like that, keep it like this, little bit extend. First time loading, see, this option is there in this Epson printer. Let me print some pages, long pages. I have made some prints already there. This is a Reindeck POS billing software you are looking. This is VAT edition for international software. For software, you can call us or contact us 0091 8078 311945. And see, let me reprint my previous invoice. It will come over here. It's a long print actually. See, this is the long print. See, wow, and fast is very good. See, such a long print. It came very nice way in this printer. It's very, for example, it's almost my height. My height is around 167, I think, right? 167, yeah, 172 centimeters. So it's more than that. Yeah, near about up to 3 meter you can print like that. 3.2 meter you can print it. Now it is around 2 meter. So up to 3.2 meter you can print, and the quality you check here. The quality is super awesome. Here you can see. Here you can see the quality. Extreme sharp. Extreme sharp means extreme sharp. See this one? Everywhere, even up to the end. And the speed also is very soft. See? This printout is came from Reindeck POS billing software, and the cutting is extreme sharp cut. So this kind of printer is Epson printer. Really, this is a little expensive printer basically, and the weight also compared to other thermal printer is little more high weight, but the quality is super awesome, and the body build quality. If you touch the surface, you will feel it. It is thick plastic. It is very thick plastic. You will feel it. You will not feel such for example, some printers I found from some countries. For example, the body also, it is not in correct shape. It is shrink inside or something like that. But in this printer, you will find extreme quality build quality. Extreme build quality you will find in this printer. So basically I like this, and let me see this one also. yeah, the paper is gone inside. See this one, when it is cutting, yes, if you want some paper extra, you just press this button. See, you will find, you can take some paper extra, you can write something like that. So again, take some paper like that, how much you want, just take it and you can write something. And this one more thing I want to tell you, in this printer no need for any kind of ink or cartridge or ribbon or nothing. All this print is happening because of heat. Wherever in this thermal paper, wherever you apply the heat or heat, that area will get black. For example, even you make it like that, see, this area is getting black. So this is thermal technology basically, no need for any ink, no need any cartridge, no need any ribbon or nothing. And you will get, and the main thing is that the print cost is very cheap. Because the paper roll, this one is coming, I will tell you near about 58 Indian rupees. 58 Indian rupees means near about 60 fils, less than $1. 60 cents, yes, 70 cents only it will come price, less than $1. So this is the price, and this is the printer. You can enjoy your retail business with Epson T82 printer, and in India this printer price near about 12,800 rupees. Yeah, 12,900 rupees. Yeah, 13,000 is the maximum in the price in the Amazon. So you will get this printer in this price range, and the quality is super awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.